This trucking thing, you know, I got into it almost 10 years ago now, and I'm gonna tell you, man, there's really not another job like it. I've been seeing a lot of companies out there advertising for, you know, new drivers to come in, 4 weeks out on the road, you get 2 days off, and then you're back out on the road. That is not what this is about, man. If you don't have the freedom to choose when you go home, you know, when you're out on the road, stuff like that, you're with the wrong company. I'm just gonna tell you that now. There are companies out there, such as Bennett, that you get the choices, man, the freedoms of when you go home, what you do, even as a company driver. Now, I'm not talking just as the owner-operators. I'm talking even on their company side. The company drivers still don't have forced dispatch. They get to pick and choose where they go. They get to pick and choose when they go home. Bennett is a great company to come over either as an owner-operator or as a company driver, and you'll have a lot more freedom than 99% of the companies out there. I mean, this company is the best company I've been with when it comes to freedom and when it comes to, you know, picking and choosing what I do. I mean, you guys see it. I go home a lot. I like spending time with my family. I don't live to work. I work to live. So it's one of those things where I make sure that I have as much time as I can to go home, and that's the best thing about this career choice for me, anyways. I mean, I don't know about you guys. I like being able to pick and choose what I do. But just remember, guys, live free and truck hard.